Good morning, everyone. So, I am Rosella Apa from BED 2C. So, now I would like to report and show you about the American history, traditions, cultures, and beliefs. So, are you ready for our lesson for today? Okay, very good. So, let's start. Okay. So, the physical environment is extremely diverse, often spectacular. Alaska glaciers coexist with flowering tundras that bloom in the Arctic summer. The forests of the Pacific Northwest and Northern California are known for giant ancient trees such as Sitka, spruce, and sequoia or redwoods. No? And then Niagara Falls, Yellowstone National Park, and the Grand Canyon are a few for the better known. So katong akong gimension mao to ang mga known nga mga kuan, mga trees nga ilado dito sa Amerika. So next, so the major navigable inland waterways include the Mississippi River, which cuts north to south through the central part of the country. The Great Lakes in the upper Midwest, the largest freshwater lake group in the world, and the St. Lawrence River. Okay, next. So, let's go to their religion. So, have you any idea unsa ilang religion? Okay, thank you. So, among developed countries, the US is one of the most religious in terms of demographics. So, ang Amerika daw ang usa sa pinaka-relihiyoso nga country. According to a 2002 study by the Pew Global Attitude Project, the US was the only developed nation in the survey where a majority of citizens reported that religion played a very important role in their lives. So, ang religion daw ang kanang great contribution sa ilang kinabuhi. So, an opinion similar to that found in Latin America. Today, government at the national, state, and local levels are secular institutions with what is often called the separation of church and state. But like federal politics, the topic of religion in the United States can cause an emotionally heated debate over moral, ethical, and legal issues affecting Americans of all faiths in everyday life, such as polarizing issues of abortion, gay marriage, and obscenity. So, do ang kuan dito sa Amerika mga relihiyoso sila dito, but ang ilang moral o ang ethical issues nila dito kay murag sukuhay siya kay kasagaran na dito kay naay magpakasal nga mga bayot, lalaki to lalaki, and then naay mga abortion. So sukuhay sila sa ilang gikuan nga religion. So let's go to their national holidays. So the United States observed holidays derived from events in American history, religion, tradition, and national patriarchs. Thanksgiving has become a traditional American holiday. It evolved from the English pilgrim custom of giving thanks for one's welfare. Today, Thanksgiving generally celebrated as a family reunion with a large afternoon feast. European colonization has led to many traditional Christian holidays such as Easter, Lent, St. Patrick's Day, and Christmas to be observed, albeit celebrated in a secular rather by many Americans today. So ang kuan ay ang kasagaran nga gikuan dito kay ang Christmas ug ang St. Patrick Days. So Independence Day, so nagkuan pud sila Independence Day, colloquially known as the 4th of July, celebrates the anniversary of the country's declaration of independence from Great Britain. So gisako po din ang Amerika sa mga Great Britain. It is generally observed by parades throughout the day and the shooting of fireworks. So let's go to their cuisine. So the cuisine of the United States is extremely diverse, owing to the vastness of the continent, the relatively large population. So, 1/3 of a billion people and the number of native and immigrant influences. So mainstream American culinary arts are similar to those in other Western country. Wheat is the primary cereal grain. So ang wheat daw ang pinaka ilang cereal grain. So traditional American cuisine uses ingredients such as turkey, whitetail, deer, venison, potatoes, sweet potatoes, corn, squash, and maple syrup. Indigenous food employed by American, Indian, and early European settlers: slow-cooked pork and beef, barbecue crab, cake, potato chips, cotton candy, and chocolate chip cookies are distinctly American creations. So, American generally prefer coffee to tea. So, ganahan dyan ang mga American o mga tea. With more than half the population drinking at least 1 cup of a day. Marketing by US industry is largely responsible for making orange juice and milk. So, sila ang pinakakuan sa popular sa orange juice and milk. Okay, that's all. Thank you.